Hello everyone. The title of today's lecture is on average load, load factor, demand factor and the diversity factor. This is a part of unit number 6, B, economics of power generation, and here it is mentioned in the syllabus all terms related to fluctuating load plan and numerical on it. So the today's lecture is based on this. The terms and factors. The list of terms and factors are given here. So among these, I am going to explain the average load, demand factor, load factor, and diversity factor. So what is the demand factor? It is the ratio of maximum demand on the power station to its connected load. That is, demand factor is equal to maximum load, maximum demand divided by connected load. The value of demand factor is usually less than 1. It is expected because maximum demand on the power station is generally less than the connected load. If the maximum demand on the power station is 80 megawatt and the connected load is 100 megawatt, then demand factor is equal to 80 by 100, that is 0.8. The knowledge of demand factor is vital, that is important in determining the capacity of the plant equipment. Average load. The average of load occurring on the power station in a given period, that is day or month or year, is known as average load or average demand. There are three types of average load. Daily average load, that is equal to number of units generated in a day divided by 24 hours. Monthly average load, number of units generated in a month divided by number of hours in a month. Yearly average load, number of units generated in a year divided by number of hours in a year, that is 8,760 hours. Next is the load factor. The ratio of average load to the maximum demand during a given period is known as the load factor. So it is the ratio of average load divided by maximum demand. If the plant is in operation for 3 hours, the load factor is equal to if you multiply numerator and denominator by T, so this average load into T will give us the units generated in 3 hours divided by maximum demand into 3 hours. The load factor may be daily load factor, monthly load factor or annual load factor if the time period considered is a day or month or year respectively. Load factor is always less than 1 because average load is smaller than the maximum demand. The load factor plays key role in determining the overall cost per unit generated. Higher the load factor of the power station, lesser will be the cost per unit generated. Diversity factor. The ratio of sum of individual maximum demand to the maximum demand on power station is known as diversity factor. That is, diversity factor is equal to sum of individual maximum demand divided by maximum demand on power station. A power station supplies load to various types of consumers whose maximum demand generally do not occur at the same time. Therefore, the maximum demand on the power station is always less than the sum of individual maximum demands of the consumers. Obviously, diversity factor will always be greater than 1. The greater the diversity factor, the lesser is the cost of generation of power. We'll stop here. Thank you.